Hi, I'm Dr. Holly Lucille, and I want to talk about home remedies for skin fungus issues, okay? There are two home remedies I absolutely love to help clear up skin fungus. First, you can make a mixture of about a half a teaspoon of witch hazel, about a quarter teaspoon of distilled water, and about a quarter teaspoon as well as apple cider vinegar. You use this on and around any areas of the skin you're having issues with. Simply apply it with a cotton swab. You can use morning and night after you wash the area thoroughly and then allow it to dry completely. So about a half a teaspoon of the witch hazel, just a quarter teaspoon then of the apple cider vinegar, and as well a quarter teaspoon of the distilled water. There you go. And take a little cotton swab and apply it right to the affected area. Now, my other favorite is the use of castor oil. I love this one. In fact, there's been successful studies approving the use of castor oil for skin infections and other skin problems such as sunburns, abrasions, acne, fungus, athlete's foot, and even chronic itching and inflamed skin. This is a very easy remedy to use as well. You simply dip a cotton ball or a cotton swab into the castor oil and apply it to the affected skin both morning and night. Now, if the area is small, you can use a Band-Aid to cover the affected skin overnight. And alternatively, if it's larger, you can soak a pad like this in castor oil and you can cover that area overnight as well. Now, another tip for that stubborn fungal infection that affects your skin or nails, the nails especially, you can soak that part of your skin in Epsom salt for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps soften and as well disinfect the skin before applying the castor oil. It can also help speed up the healing process. I'm Dr. Holly Lucille. Thanks so much for watching.